Okay, kali ni kita nak pergi ke Berkelah Waterfall. So sekarang ni korang boleh tengok tengah last packing lah sebelum tunggu 4 wheel. So nanti 4 wheel sampai kita tergak ke dalam. Salut.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. She was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly, every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. And dreams of paradise, 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 paradise. Lying underneath a stormy sky, she said, oh, I know the sun will set tonight. We'll dream of paradise, 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 paradise.
Nak balik. Okey Pak Musuh.
Okey,
Terima kasih banyak.
sama.
Ni Pak Musuh kan. Siapa yang nak masuk dalam boleh kontak Pak Musuh.
Dreams of paradise,